Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for August 7th, 2026. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETFs that I research. Today we're going to be talking about The Buckle, a chain of stores, nationwide chain of stores, and the ticker symbol is BKE. A little change of pace here. The opinions shared here are my own. They're opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. Like I said, we're looking at The Buckle this week. BKE is the symbol. The Buckle, it's a specialty retailer. It's a chain, and their intent is to provide exceptional service with high-end, really high-end service. They have specialty shoppers. They have high-quality, trendy apparel. Accessories, footwear for men, women, children. They kind of have a lot of denim. That's one thing they do have. They're headquartered in Kearney, Nebraska, and they have 440 retail stores in 42 states. They do other things too. They do like hemming of your pants and stuff like that for free. They have personal shoppers. It's a high-end experience that they're trying to give you. And it's a profitable company, does pretty well. It's been trending upward slightly in terms of the number of stores and the retail and in terms of revenue and that sort of thing. And they pay a really consistent dividend with a special dividend every year, which is kind of what I like. I wanted to feature this today. That's why I wanted to feature it today anyhow. Let's look at some basic information on the Buckle here. Market cap's a little over $2 billion. Revenue is $1.31 billion. That's in the past year. Net income $221 million. Earnings per share $4.36, and the dividend $4.40, which right now is a 10% dividend. That's because they provide a special dividend one time a year too. Lots of decent volume, 330,000. It's about that most every day. Beta is about market beta at 1, and it's been trending upward from 93 up to now. You can see the trend in the chart there on the right. It's a decent company and it's pretty consistent. Because they're a specialty retailer, I wanted to look at the margins and the gross margin, operating margin, pre-tax margin. These are all real nice in the industry, and I think they get those because they sell high-end stuff and they provide a nice level of service for that high-end customer who's willing to pay a little more for service and convenience and that sort of thing. And as you can see at the top there in this slide, free cash flow is pretty substantial. $220 million on a little over $1 billion of sales. That's pretty good. And it's $4.36 a share last year. Here's some key metrics on this slide. $1.298 billion. Last year, operating margin 20%. Earnings per share, it's a little higher than that. One thing, that item on the right, no long-term debt. They're expanding, but they're not taking on debt. They're doing it slow, and they're doing it with their own cash flow. That's another nice reason to own this company. They're not saddling themselves with debt. Last slide I've got is the dividends. You can see the dividend history here for the past few years, and you can see in the January dividend, there's a special dividend, $2.85 for 24 and 25, and then 26 is $3.35. So it's 35 cents a share per quarter, but then they tend to provide that special dividend, which is a nice touch. And like I said, this time around, you're looking at 10% as an aggregate dividend for the year. With that, do your own due diligence. A Buckle, it's a high-end experience. Go on their website; it's pretty cool. They show all the wares they have, and obviously you can see all the services they provide. Or go visit a store if you're nearby one of them. See what it's like. With that, thank you for listening to JC Stocks and Markets podcast. Do your own due diligence. See if the Buckle's right for you. With that, the intro and outro song is a song that I wrote. It's called She's the One, performed by the band I used to play in, Just One Goat. a long time ago, but still remember it, and I have fond memories. Hope you enjoy the song. Happy investing, and thank you for listening to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast. Out.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving purely physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. Wasted all